became the MLA of Vasco with Duradon Congress ticket. That time I was in school in Bondagiri SC. That time, from that time, when he won the first election, 1980, 85, Uncle was the MLA of Vasco. From that time, it struck me that I should come to politics.
Then how it
And then further after that, I have got lot of political gurus, like I can say Dr. Miskita, Alekar. They all have helped me come up in life. I remember Dr. Miskita, he was a clean man. Dr. Miskita has good skill of administration. He is the one who gave the municipal building to the municipality. The municipal building was belonged to the revenue department before. And Tilak Bhajan was belonged to municipal council. See, people don't know the story. Dr. Miskita was instrumental to make municipality self-sufficient. Nowadays they get rent from the building. Otherwise they are not the owner of the building. The owner of the Department of Revenue. There has been a long life. See, I can put a lot of things. Then even Mr. Alekar, he was good, he done good work. Then he left Vasco and he won in Pandem again. Today is the governor. See, in politics, one thing I have learned that you have to be genuine and be clean, non-corrupt. See, Dr. Miskita was not corrupt, Alekar was not corrupt. That's the way I am. As of today, there's no doubt on me. I can openly say anybody can show and figure, anybody point figure at me. See, today that is the essence in politics today. I have trained a lot of people down my line. You see the other MLAs in Goa, nobody has a down line. Today I have trained my people. I have trained Yatin Kamalekar, I have trained Deepak Naik, I have trained Frederick, I have trained Nanda Rao. I have trained them to be leaders for tomorrow. I will not be MLA always. Specifically, my Makadaka Sampradaya is if you are clean in politics, you survive. Otherwise, you have finished. Today we have so many people get jobs in Vasco, out of all over Goa, today Kadambachem, a lot of jobs we have given. Let one person say that he has come and given me a treat, one person say he has given some money. I will leave politics. I am also training my staff in that manner, same way my councillors. Today why the people of Vasco gave us the majority in the council election? Because we have to be doing good work. Issues are there, I am not saying issues are not there. See, projects are not, because as a government support, it has to be total. And then another major factor, Mr. Parikar was not there. Mr. Parikar he was good in maths, Mr. Parikar. And he used to give money from nowhere. As Parikar now, हमको त्रास चल लगा, हमको घर का त्रास है. Actually scheme is all schemes are started by Parikar. Lal Lakshmi, Grada, so this Parikar solve किया. As Parikar आज याद तक होता है because Parikar was a good man. There are many things that are there in politics. I want म्हाका जाय लोकांक भुरग्यांक वयर सरपाक politics येवपाक. People are getting scared to come politics. लोक कितें म्हणटा हे politics पयस कोत्ताय. Not with all politicians. See, maybe some are corrupt, but not all. I can name few good people, like I said, Dr. Miskita, Alekar are good people. See, today we have to come back to politics. People don't want politics as a profession today. This is a thing going everywhere. So I am there requesting my youngster for Vasco and all over Goa. तुम्ही थोडं से ये ना आता लोक मैं मोठा वो आमदार असो काम करना वो पोच घेता. When we elect good people only we will succeed in life. And another thing, people are so many parties are coming. Today one more incident I want to remember, old Goa exposition at St. Xavier. Parikar then the active party then I involved. See, today the church also is important for everybody. We can't say minority vote naka. In 2012, minorities have brought BJP in power. It's a very important factor. Even now at present, we have 35% in BJP. We have 14 Catholic MLAs in BJP as of today, with the 10 who joined. See, BJP also has to stress more minority votes. I'm not saying that other votes are not important. All votes are important for us. But minorities play a major role today in voting. Today, Goa has to be secular. Goa has to survive. See, tourism sector is there. There's no money in the sector. See, we have to be innovative. Today, we can't just have dance program and finish. Today, another major factor I want to tell you about Vasco. I will remember Parikar again. Red light area was red light area was there. He took out the lead. At that time, he said, we'll start some business in Vasco. Vasco that Donza dal there na pelo. Because there's no business in Vasco. See, Baina people are crying. Baina red light area was bad. I'm agreeing on that part. But there's no business come back again in Baina Vasco. I was for Blue Flag Service. Why? And now my minister, you didn't ना का blue flag म्हणतं. अरे blue flag सर्टिफिकेट म्हणजे किती आहे? The big level facilities, everything. Further will come. I Vasco, we have got the railway, we have got the airport, we have got the port, everything we have got. But no tourist. How Vasco prosper? Vasco business चालना. Vasco लोग कौन जाता जॉब पर? मरवा था जॉब, कोलवा था जॉब पर, बंगाल था जॉब पर. I Vasco prosper when only when we get tourism or some other trade. Because mining has begun start job ना. See, after mining ban, Vasco is a major factor. लोग पट्टा सावडे इफेक्ट झाला, सांगली इफेक्ट झाला. And Vasco is the main, over goes through Vasco. We got stevedores, we got ship owners, we got agents, we got launch owners, we got barges. All of Vasco. We got teleclerk. They're all suffering today. As Vasco is having major effect of mining ban. Local pond, they're not showing around. See, Vasco is where we have got, we are proper class in Vasco. People are saying mining is the other side of Goa, but Goa goes through the port. There are many issues that are there. Like even another, I was talking about lockdown. Lockdown. I'm the only ML Vasco lockdown among 4 ML in Mormugao Taluka. Why did it happen? So COVID came. Nobody knew at that time. And COVID, another thing I want to tell people of Goa, Vasco, we have done very well to fight COVID. And we have taken this. I and my councillors. Before COVID time, people were getting scared of Vasco people when they go to Panjim Margo. People were getting scared to go out. FPT, give us a mixed tanker. See, we have done a lot of, from the office, we have got permissions for people to operate that time. And we have gone in front. I am not scared of COVID. See, today I am still safe. I don't know about tomorrow. But this is a fight that Vasco has done, we have done jointly. I am a photo karna karan, but those packet photo karna hai Facebook. See, people have helped for COVID. People have, so many houses have helped COVID. A big house, people have care. Lokan, Annapurna Hotel, I have demonstrated, Sukan, he have a lot of food for poor people. See, people have contributed to COVID time. And COVID is a major fight that we have seen in Vasco. People have fought together. Last municipal election also, people have supported us. People are saying negative things. I know people are saying negative, but name one instance that I have taken some money from anybody. I'll leave politics. I can give open challenge. But my opponents are saying that I have not done busting, I have not done this other thing. But then I have been specific. I got document that I can show that I have requested the CM for funds. Even other projects are there. Banana Beach project. Banana Beach, there are so many issues on Banana Beach that some work was done. To where their work today? These scams are there. Now the municipal building coming again. Municipal building is the property of the municipality. Municipality gives that building to repair, to renovate to G Suda. Now G Suda, they have got engineers. And what is the meaning of restoration? Just I want people to go out to check that the word restoration means what. I am happy that many heritage lovers have come forward. Saifullah Khan has come forward. Daji's wife has come forward. But she's talking to somebody else. I have got no interest in the municipal building. See, today the municipal building is everybody, all Vasco can own the building, not I and you or somebody else. Today, Parrikar, we remember, we miss Parrikar a lot. I am missing him at least. I liked him, his way of working, style of behavior. Parrikar was a good man. And Parrikar has we got 13 seats last time. This time we'll have to fight back as the government. We have to fight, CM Dr. Pramod has to fight back. That's the reason I am saying we must get 35% minority votes seats now this time. Other 14 seats hai, 14 pad de pada for minority BJP government. My request to the media, I am going to make official letter to CM of the next week.
Sir, when you came to politics, how was the politics that time and how is the politics now?
See, politics that time was a word. Today politics is different. See, politics that time, I quoted Dr. Mishra, he's a good man, he's a clean man. Mr. Alekar, clean man. Today politics is different. See, today it's a different thing. See, today fish market, today they're playing politics with the fish vendors. Loka नुस्त्या market जाय, लोका जाय नुस्त्या to buy kilos, किती लावून वाटे कमी नुस्त्या पडता लोका. हांव नुस्तें आता घरा डेली. आता ते fish market politics होता आम्ही politician. Those many politicians are there. I don't name anybody. Our councillors are doing politics there, were opposing us. Saifullah म्हणला Some he made some statement against me, Emily Naik. I may be against Milind, but as an MLA, he's my minister, very minister. Bhavin Gudana is there, Bhavin Gudana. See, transport side, then he's run transport. Bhavin taxi issue, settle kya hai airport taxi counter issue. See, taxi counter was a major issue that Bhavin Gudana settled. There were big fights with the taxi counter, with the prepaid counters. They were illegal. But, and Bhavin has succeeded. Same way, our Milind Naik succeeded. Now we have got another major issue, Vasco or rent, municipal building, rent, all of Goa. That act not being amended by Milind Naik. Last 5 years, now he's talking other thing. Rajesh Sarkar to other thing. The municipal act should be amended. We are Prime Minister was after the act to be amended. Now Milind Naik was the minister for 5 years. Vasco municipality got no revenue generation. We are the municipal, all Goa, we are the only council, we have got only shops, Vasco and commercial establishments. But no money is coming. The rent is blocked.
And what do you advise to the future politicians, budding politicians, to the future generation, how they should actually apply their mind to come up in politics?
See, my thing is only one thing, you should be financially sound. If you have one business or you should work somewhere and then you go into politics. Otherwise, if you go into politics and then want to business, it is wrong. Today, I am proud to say that my father had 2 cars in 1960, a Vauxhall car and Simca car. I am not saying that I am a rich man. But then after that, I had no money. My father was in bad state. So it is life, ups and downs are there. But today, people must start earning first and then come to politics. Politics should not be a business. Today, some people think that we come to politics and then make business, but it's wrong. So I am telling the youth of Goa today, first do your business and then come to politics. Otherwise, you can't survive politically.
And how you look at the current situation, political situation across Goa, the kind of things are happening. People are jumping from this party to that party. How you look at it?
See, political situation is a different thing. See, Mr. Parikar expired. That time we were scared. We didn't know as MLA how government will survive, what we will do. But today Dr. Pramod Sawant is doing well. Now give him a chance. He is coming up. He has got some more flaws. He will correct them. The problem, everybody is saying bus stand is done. I am saying bus stand is done. We have done the piling of the depot piling is already 100% done. See, piling we have done about 500 piles. Don't joke to 500 piles. We have paid a contractor more than what he has to get money. So bus stand will be my priority. See, ground, even Tilak Maidan, we have spent about 7 crores for renovation. Tilak Maidan. That nobody knows. We put floodlights there for the Lucifer games. So things are there to be done. Now, Vasco we have got good road. Only the main road, because the civil line we have kept. Vasco other we have got good road. Okay, water supply is off and on, it's coming. Now we have activated the tanks. Here I want to remember Zephyr and Allikar again. The Navy tank was proposed by Allikar, done by Zephyr, inaugurated by Kalasal Madam. There are 3, see, it's a process. It doesn't happen overnight. It is one project, the tank at INS Hansa was proposed by Allikar, built by Zephyr, inaugurated by Kalasal Madam. It's a sequence. See, basically, I am a man who has come from the lower level. I have not come from top. Nobody has put me on top. So I know that people have to build up, and you have to build up properly. Today, in the municipality, I got a name in the municipal council. If you come with me, I'll show you the council. I know people inside out. I get upset when people take money for works. This is one major factor. See, corruption is one major factor that should be inbuilt by everybody. Even I tell my councillors over there, do good work, and you come again. Today, why I have so many councillors one second time, third time? Because they are doing good work. They are doing good work. Otherwise, they can't be again and again. Now, see, last time, what reservation? Milind Naik did a mess there with the water reservation. Even the High Court has passed scripture, but High Court also said. Then again, we had changed the vote, again we changed the candidate. But still, we won. So that is the challenge that we have taken up in public life. See, I have been to many countries. Now, see, people of Goa, the politicians of Goa should take Goa up the ladder on tourism, on mine, because we can't depend on one trade. We should take all the trades up. See, now one thing good that because of the mining ban, we have gone into agriculture. It's a good thing. into farming, into agriculture, fishery department is there. We can have more fish farms. See, today Goa's staple food is fish and rice curry. So we have to go more for fish farming. We have to do that. See, because most of the people in Goa eat fish, rice curry. Even tourists who come want to eat fish in Goa. So a staple food we should get. Now even the chief minister is doing a good job. He is doing for farming, vegetable, other things, milk. We will be self-sufficient. So on that count, that is the reason that we have to be self-sufficient Goa. And political parties should be together on that, on tourism, on mining. Other issues, so many issues are there.
Another question, you have been into different parties in past, now with BJP. Performance or organization, which party you like the most?
See, performance-wise, the BJP is the best. The best is the best. Because this is the party where I have learned organization skills. Maybe I had some skills, but I have told my skills. Today BJP is the best party all over India. And I am hopeful and I am sure that the ticket will be given to me only. I will win again.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.